Are you on the fence about whether to buy a brand new construction home or an older, more established one? You're not alone. This is one of the biggest decisions home buyers face, and today I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. In this video, I'm diving deep into the pros and cons of buying a new construction home versus an older one. And trust me, there are some surprising facts that you may not have considered. Which one is a better investment? Which will save you more money in the long run? And which home might end up costing you more than you've actually bargained for? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the answers you need to make an informed choice that suits your lifestyle and your budget. But hey, before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest insider real estate tips. And if you're ready to find out which type of home could be your dream come true, give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the shiny brand new construction homes first. Who doesn't love the idea of a fresh start and a brand new house, right? Let's break down the pros and cons. Pro number 1, customization. With new construction, you often have the ability to choose your finishes, floor plans, and sometimes even make structural changes. It's like designing your own home from scratch. Pro number 2, modern amenities and energy efficiency. New homes are built with the latest technology, which means better insulation, energy efficient windows, and modern appliances that can save you a ton of money on your utility bills. Pro number 3, fewer repairs and maintenance. Everything is brand new, so you won't have to worry about replacing the roof or HVAC systems for years to come. Plus, many new homes come with builder's warranties that can cover those major repairs. But, like anything else, there are a few downsides. Con number 1, higher upfront costs. New construction homes tend to be more expensive than older ones in the same area. You're paying a premium for all of those modern features and customization options. Con number 2, location, location, location. New homes are often built on the outskirts of town, which can mean longer commutes and fewer amenities like parks and schools nearby. Con number 3, potential for ongoing construction. If you're moving into a new development, be prepared for some noise and dust until the entire neighborhood is built out. So, those are the bases for new construction homes. Now let's move on to the older ones. Now, older homes have their own unique charm and benefits. Let's explore what makes them so appealing to many home buyers. Pro number 1, established neighborhoods. Older homes are often located in well-established neighborhoods with mature trees, larger lots, and a sense of community that can be hard to find in new developments. Pro number 2, character and craftsmanship. Many older homes have unique architectural details and craftsmanship that you just can't replicate in new builds. Think hardwood floors, crown molding, and built-in bookshelves. Pro number 3, price negotiation. Older homes often have more room for negotiation on price, especially if they need a bit of updating or repair. But let's not forget about the potential drawbacks. Con number 1, maintenance and repairs. Older homes often come with older systems like plumbing, electrical, and roofing that may require more frequent maintenance or even a replacement. Con number 2, energy efficiency. Older homes are typically less energy efficient than newer homes, which could mean higher utility bills. Con number 3, limited customization. Unlike new construction, you can't choose the floor plan or finishes, and making significant changes can be very costly. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of older homes. But now let's talk about some critical factors you should consider when choosing between the two. Okay, so we've gone through the pros and cons of both new and older homes. But how do you decide which one is right for you? Here are some key factors to consider. Your first consideration should be your lifestyle. Do you want a turnkey experience, or are you ready to invest time and money into your renovations? Your second consideration should be location. Think about your daily commute, school districts, and proximity to amenities. Sometimes the perfect home is more about location than anything else. Your third consideration should be your budget. Make sure to consider not just the upfront costs, but also the long-term costs of maintenance and energy use. Consider working with a real estate agent who understands both new construction and older homes. They can provide invaluable insights and help you navigate this decision with confidence. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the pros and cons of buying a new construction home versus an older one. If you have any questions or want personalized advice, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's thinking about making that move. Until next time, happy house hunting.